Namaste, friends, and welcome back to Power Up Sessions, the best way for you to take a 5-minute break to recharge, focus the mind, and increase your productivity. Today, we're going to be doing a very cooling, very detoxifying breath known as Shitali Pranayama. It's really good to remove stress and also to really purify the nervous system. What we're going to do is we're going to roll the tongue, and we're going to inhale through the rolled tongue like we're drinking air through a straw. Then we're going to exhale through the nose. And we're just going to continue breathing like that. If you can't roll the tongue, you can clench the teeth and inhale through the teeth. Either way, we're bringing the air in through the mouth in a little bit of a restricted way, and we're exhaling through the nose. Very good for soothing the nervous system, for releasing stress, making us feel calm, clear, and centered. Beautiful. We're going to do this for 4 minutes. So come into any comfortable seated position. We'll start before we do our breathing by purging the lungs. So take an inhalation through the nose, forceful exhalation through the mouth. 2 more like that. In through the nose, forcefully through the mouth. 1 more time. And out. Roll the tongue or clench the teeth and inhale. Fill the lungs as much as you can. Then exhale through the nose. Relaxing exhalation, emptying the lungs. And again, through the teeth or tongue. Out through the nose. And continue. And keep breathing in this manner. This breath can be very detoxifying. And especially in the beginning, it's not uncommon to experience a sort of bitter taste on the tongue. If you're getting that bitter taste, it's a sign that toxins are coming up and you're getting rid of them. If you do this for many times, you won't get that bitter taste anymore as you kind of get rid of that energy. Let's keep going. We've got 2.5 minutes remaining. This is also a great breath to do anytime you're feeling too hot. If it's really hot outside, if you don't have any water accessible, you can do this to help cool yourself down. Return to normal breathing. Sitting with the eyes closed, attention inside. Notice the overall effect of today's practice. Calming and quietening of the mind. Relaxing of the nervous system. Feeling refreshed, revitalized, clear. Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me today for this power-up session. I hope you're feeling great and ready for what the day has to come. If you enjoyed the class, please give the video a like. Let me know in the comment section below how it was for you. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, as I've got a whole series of these quick 5-minute practices to help you become more productive. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.